Hello and welcome to Math 252, Calculus 2 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video we'll be looking at checkpoint 3.10 from section 3.2, Trigonometric integrals. Here we're asked to evaluate the integral of cosine 6x times cosine 5x. And this will rely on us having some trigonometric formulas that are usually is difficult to remember, and so I have it off to the side here, some rules for integrating products of sines and cosines with different angles. So these are ways to combine angles. For this particular problem, I do have two cosine functions. So with two cosine functions, I will be using this last formula. And if I can just identify which is which, then I can put these things together. So A and B are the coefficients of those angles in the function. And so we'll consider this A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 5, and then we should be able to get that formula down. All right, let's put it together. We have a 1/2 and then a cosine of a minus b times x. So a is 6 minus b is 5 and multiplied times x, so that's just going to be an x. And then we have another plus 1/2, and this time it's a cosine. This time you add 6 plus 5, the a and the b, and then you get the x. All right. Having this inside of your integrand, it just means that we're going to split this up to two integrals, or we can just integrate. But let's rewrite this integral as the cosine of x, 1/2 times the cosine of x plus 1/2 times the cosine of 11x dx. All right. I think we probably should have big parentheses around these things for good measure. Just remember that the antiderivative of cosine is going to be a negative sign. So antiderivative of cosine x dx is going to be negative sine x. And then another thing we have to worry about here is the u substitution. And so we're going to have an extra 11 that goes in the denominator after we do the u substitution. All right. Okay, so let's put that together. This will be a 1/2, and then we're just going to have a negative sine x, and then we'll add a plus 1/2, and then the antiderivative of this has an extra 1/11, and then again a negative sine. This time it's 11x, and then that would be a result. So writing this a little bit neater, we get a negative 1/2 sine x, and then this will become a negative as well, and 1/22 is our constant, and then we have the sine of 11x plus c. All right, hope that helps.